Good afternoon, sir. My name is Abitago Nap Donel P. Student of Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration 4B. My topic is Understanding the Anti-Dumping Act of the Philippines, RA 8752. What is dumping? Dumping is an unfair trade practice where an exporting company sells its products in a foreign market at a price significantly lower than its normal value, which is typically the price charged for the same product in the company's domestic market. These are the four elements. Price difference, a demonstration that the imported product is being sold in the domestic market at an export price lower than its normal value. The normal value is typically the comparable price of the product in the exporting country. Injury, evidence that the domestic industry producing a like product is experiencing material injury, a threat of material injury, or material retardation of its establishment. This is measured through factors like declines in sales, profits, output, or market share caused by the influx of cheap imports. Causal link, an objective examination of the evidence showing a direct causal relationship between the dumped imports and the injury suffered by the domestic industry. The injury must be clearly attributable to the alleged dumping and not other factors such as changes in demand or technology. Like product, identification of domestically produced good that is identical or closely resembles the imported product in question. Without a comparable local product, it is impossible to determine an injury to domestic industry. These two departments serve as the initial receiving agencies for anti-dumping petitions and conduct the preliminary investigation based on the product in question. Which government agencies are responsible for implementing the law? Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI, handles the dumping cases involving industrial products.